We are going to Weedon.
You don't need to do that.
Yeah, we're going to Weedon.
Weedon.
Never been.
No, I mean, I think it's going to be a bit of a wet and sloshy one.
Yeah, I think it's going to be really muddy, so...
But I'm actually quite excited to get muddy, you know? Vlog 3, baby.
Vlog 3.
So complete open session then, is it?
Yeah, open session. And we're ready to go on whenever you're ready. Track's looking good, pretty wet, but we'll see, we'll get out there and see what's going on.
And I'm already kitted, booted, bike running. Hugh's still getting dressed. Bike's cold. A couple ups down and already they are filthy.
Absolutely hanging.
Yeah, they are, aren't they? Nice. Squeaky clean.
When you haven't got any tear offs or rip and rolls.
Split does the job. You know what, funny enough, fun fact, scuba diving you have to do that because it stops it from fogging up. But it's on the inside, not the outside.
Well, I literally...
I don't think. Real good track though, don't you think?
Yeah, it's good.
It's nice to like...
I quite like it.
It's quite a fast track, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very hard packed.
Very hard packed, like even though...
dry, when it's bone dry, I bet it's really
like
quick.
supersonic.
Yeah, that's really quick.
Even though like all the rain, it's like there's a couple of like big puddles. Like,
yeah, there are some, like obviously, like some of the corners, some of them are really boggy.
But I mean like actual water puddles, like you splash as you go through.
It's quite cool though.
But I quite like it, it's quite fun.
There's one on that corner over there, which you you know you've got this little jump and then you've got another little jump.
Yeah.
When you land that jump, you go to that corner a bit hot. I went through that water and it kind of like whoop, like there was a bump in it, and I didn't even. I thought it was just flat and literally just like boom, and literally bounced me straight up. And I was like, oh.
Yeah, but it's nice, and like everyone's here is really lovely as well. It's always a nice vibe.
Yeah, seems really good. So
nice. I think it's a good setup. Like very basic. Don't get me wrong, it is very basic, but like there's nothing wrong with that at all.
No, it's all good practice.
You pay 30 quid and you get your 30 quid's worth, I think.
Call me what you want, call me what you want. Don't know what you want, call me what you want. Call me what you want, call me what you want. Don't know what you want, call me what you want. A psycho, maybe a dreamer, 'cause when I grab the Michael, I kill your dreams and I know that you try so hard to tell me I'm not a part of life that you had. A psycho.
Try and get some of the mud off. But yeah.
I'm going to drop it anyway, so I mean, there's probably no major point. You're right to us. You having a good time?
It's gonna be good.
He's literally like drifting around that
I reckon
corner.
you got it. I reckon you got it, girl.
You think?
Yeah, I reckon. I came round that corner down there at one point, just before getting on the power for here, and I felt the front kind of like slip. I was still like leaning. I was still like most of my weight was over the front after that corner.
Yeah.
And I hadn't shifted back fast enough, and I got on the power, and the front was like woo, and I was like whoa. I saw the bloke looking. I didn't shut off. I managed to just lean back and carry on. But I saw the bloke looking. He was like woo. So that was nice. How you feeling?
Excited.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ready to get out and have another go?
Yeah.
Very dirty. How was it?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah?
I practiced that really rocky corner.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh, I focused quite a lot on the jump. So I was like, no, I want to focus on that.
Sorry.
So I did that.
Get close so we can hear you.
So I did it half.
I got some good drone footage.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Because I was a bit here, there, everywhere.
Yeah.
It's a bit difficult.
I got some good bits following you. I ended it just as you pulled off there and then dropped and then I started it again and then I dropped and then I ended it and then you dropped it.
I know. I literally like trying to hop on, I lost my balance and dropped it.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's like I focused a lot on the jumps earlier, so it was like that one corner is quite like down there is like really rusty, isn't it now?
Which one? The far one?
After the puddle, you drop down.
Yeah.
Right
that far one over there. Yeah.
That's getting quite like sloshy.
Yeah.
So it's like a little kid with the adults. I was like, oh, I can't keep focusing on jumps. So it's like I'll do that a couple of laps.
Yeah.
So I'll do that a couple of laps and then I'll go back to my favourite jump.
It's all like relative, isn't it? So.
Like Howie?
Huh? Yeah.
Nice.
450 last time. That.
Yeah, it sounds a bit.
Box.
Where do you want me to get footage of you now?
I still. Have you got this straight yet?
I will actually no. I want to get you like gearing up, like really close, like cinematic footage.
Yeah.
And then I want to get like almost like lay on the floor there, and get you like zoom past me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do that.
I think we should like start getting.
Insert clip now.
Cause when I grab the mic, I'll kill your dreams, and I know that you try so hard to tell me I'm not a part of life that you had. A psycho.
Whilst you're warming up to the sport and things, I think this is really beneficial. Like it's nice to have a mixture of. Is this mine?
Yeah.
I'm not.
I'd finished mine.
Well, do you want? Like, you can have some if you want some.
No, I want to be Daz because she was over there looking over.
If you
Well,
want some, you can
but-
have some. I want it.
I don't want them.
Oh, well, I want some.
Daz wants some.
You can have some in a minute, but you've got other TREATs.
She's so muddy. Yeah, my boots are hanging.
Also, happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's Day.
What better way to spend a Valentine's?
Yeah, I know.
Way faster than him.
Yeah, I reckon so.
You
You got
think
more
so?
hair than him.
You reckon?
Yeah, you're like literally buying a ticket to space at the moment. Sending it to the moon. How do you feel about getting out? Do you feel like it was a big thing over nothing, really?
Yeah.
I knew you would. Does it feel fine? You just feel like you can send it now everywhere.
It's definitely a confidence boost, I'm not going to lie.
Just clearing off. Huh? Yeah. Track is pretty much empty. So Kim's going for a rip on her own pretty much. Yeah, you just need more of the throttle. You're way less on the throttle than you were earlier. Yeah. You're coming up that corner like crawling. Yeah, so now all you need is just a little bit more speed. That's all.
I felt like I was flying.
No, you're really not. You can hear the bike. Barely even. See? So that's good. Now literally.
That was the best one yet I think I've done.
Oh yeah. So now, just build on it. Just build on it. You've got acres of room. You're fit's perfect. If you go a little bit faster, a little bit faster, a little bit for each time,
Yeah.
you just build it up. That's how everyone does it.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on, have another go for letting you go. Yeah! That was good!
How did you find it?
I really like it. I kind of like, I know not all tracks are going to be like this, and I don't expect them to, but I do like the element of like on and off, and like you can just cut parts.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah.
Like I do like that.
Yeah.
But like I wouldn't expect every single track to be like that, because
No.
that's just literally like, it's absolute chaos.
But it is midweek.
But I did get to the one point it came off, and I looked around and I was like, which is the right way?
I thought you were doing that when I was trying to get pictures on the drone.
That was close! I could just see you just sliding like that. I was like, oh no. Good take, right? Yeah. Oh, I stalled!
Cause when I grab the mic, I'll kill your dreams, and I know that you try so hard to tell me I'm not a part of life that you had. A psycho.
Different types of jump.
That's literally just like a bit of a drop off though, isn't it? If you get me. If you're going fast enough, that's all it is.
Faster than him.
Not when he's actually going. He was just going stepping up.
Yeah, okay, at that one point right there.
I don't think so, no.
What is my hair
Just
doing?
started raining again.
Everybody loves my
There's a lot of it, isn't there?
I actually really love doing this bit of the bike. Like, everyone I think would hate it, be like, oh, I can't be bothered to clean my bike.
I literally can't think of anything worse.
But I love it. It's like those like videos that you see of people like cleaning carpets and like jet washing their patio and stuff. It's so quiet out on the track. So quiet. I think for the last like maybe 2 hours, it's literally probably been like between 3 and 5 people on the track. Pretty much since lunchtime, really. How did you find that last corner?
Oh, what? The one down the bottom?
Yeah.
Wet.
Josh, if you want to go inside in the car, you don't have to sit outside.
What do you say?
Talking to the dog.
Oh. And look how thin I've got to have the thing to actually.
Oh my god.
It's going to take you about 3 months to do a whole bike. Otherwise, it's going to take you about 3 years to do that. You got any more food? Flipping star, man. Oh, but
Huh?
food.
Food. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on. It's when you know you stay to the very end. Is when they start grading it for the next time. Grading it the right word?
Yeah.
Getting
Right,
there, slowly but surely. Josh is having the absolute best time ever. I think she quite enjoys it because she'll just be off the lead. Chuck her ball. Taking her boots off. Look at that. That clean line. Just dirt. Hello. Sam.
Oh god. She doesn't want to go.
Come on, Dash, we're gonna go home. Okay, last one. One more.
Kim. Dash, come on, we're going home now. Nobody else is here, it's empty.
Walk with a lead to the car. Just an off lead all day. Right, I'm gonna wash my face.
Do you want me to do it for you?
No, I don't trust you.
Go on then.
I feel like I'm just rubbing it in. Oh, it's in my sleeve.
Ideal.
No?
That's perfect.
I need something to like
Your hoodie.
dry now. Oh, I like this hoodie. Shout out to Tilly. I'm not gonna have to.
There's a bit on your forehead. There you go. That's better. There you go.
I feel like I'm going into battle anymore.
It doesn't look great, but...
Yours is smelly as well, though, mine.
Like a slash puppy.
Like a slash puppy. Imagine we had our microphones on there. Then everyone here would say.
Everyone would know
Everyone here would say.
Slash
In
puppy.
vlog 1, we were talking about the track, and then I stupidly said, like a slush puppy.
For no apparent reason.
I didn't know why it came through my head, and then Hugh didn't even notice.
Literally, go back and watch it, you'll see it. It's so funny.
But then I didn't realise I said it at the time either. And
I
then
didn't notice it, but after, now every time I see it, it just makes me absolutely howl. She's like a slash puppy. Like,
And I didn't realise I was saying it. Hugh didn't react to it. And we watched back, you're like, why did I say that?
it was when I was talking about riding in deep sand, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Picking up the bike out of sand, deep sand, and you were like, yeah, like a slash puppy.
We were watching back all of our videos of us talking and stuff for the video, and
So obviously there's loads of like off-cut ones. And
we
loads of
get
long ones.
distracted so easily.
Like crazy, though.
There's so many like
We've literally just looked back at a few clips that we recorded today at the track, and we're just talking, and then
we're like, oh, a cowie.
and then literally Kim just sees a bike in the corner road. She's like, oh, was that a cowie? And it was like, yeah. think it was a 450. It sounded like a 450. And then it's like off on a tangent. Then we're literally in the middle of a conversation, and then we both just completely forgot where we were.
We just haven't. We don't finish a single conversation. Like
Not
ever.
really. We just like hop from one to the next. Like a slash puppy.
I tell you what. I tell you what. We should. This would means we can go everywhere. With all this congestion charges everywhere. Why are you not saying anything?
I don't really know what to do.
But it's weird though, with all their vehicles.
Oh, track. There's track over there.
Oh yeah, it's on the map.
What track's that? Get your phone up.
Oh, it's the farm.
Have a look. That track looked good.
I didn't think I was quick enough. I can't do it because the map's not to get home.
I don't care. Try and find it. I know the way back from here.
Do you?
Yeah. Quick.
Wait.
Quick.
He was trying to take me to go home. So we're actually going to spend. We've already spent 5 minutes talking absolute rubbish. Should we actually talk about the day in the track and everything?
Yeah, track's good. Dave's good.
Done. Bye.
Done. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See ya.
Thanks. We're almost back.
It's nice not to drive so far.
Yeah, that is nice not having to drive so far. Okay.
I said I drive both ways.
Yeah.
And you were literally like, no, you can drive from there.
Yeah, you got air today, so you know you've had a big day as it is.
The owner of the track was really nice as well, wasn't he?
No, it was.
Kept saying hello.
Hello. It's
Popped
me.
his head over times. We made so many friends today, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
And the other,
Decent.
the guy that was like letting people onto the track, it was really funny. He kept going, "Give us some welly." He was really nice.
He didn't say that to me. He said that to you.
Only once.
Oh, perfect.
And then,
Go on, girl.
as I was like cutting out sections and like rejoining the track, he was actually like meow meow like this, like telling me it's safe to go on, but to give it some beats because he knew that I was just trying to get air.
Yeah.
Well, you know that I was trying to get better air.
Yes.
I guess that's the better way of saying
Yes.
it. I mean, that you could have let me go then. To let me go. What a hero! Thanks, mate. Top of the morning.
Oh, bollocks.
That's okay. Come on, it's not a mountain, it's a speed bump. We can go past it.
Oh my god.
It's supposed to be.
Get me happy.
Very.
What a day.
Bad habit of riding and getting fast food.
It's because it's so fast, isn't it?
Fast food.
Yeah.